Aircraft carriers are the ultimate symbol of naval power. These colossal vessels serve as the backbone of modern navies, embodying both strength and versatility. They are not just warships, they are floating air bases, capable of launching and recovering aircraft from anywhere in the world's oceans. They are floating cities, capable of projecting force across the globe. With thousands of personnel on board, including pilots, engineers and support staff, these ships are self-sustaining entities. They carry everything needed to support extended operations, from food and medical supplies to advanced weaponry and aircraft maintenance facilities. Since their inception, carriers have played a pivotal role in shaping the course of history. The first aircraft carriers emerged in the early 20th century, revolutionizing naval warfare. During World War II, they became the linchpin of naval strategy, enabling decisive victories in battles across the Pacific and Atlantic Oceans. From the vast Pacific theater of World War II to the complex geopolitical landscape of the 21st century, carriers have demonstrated their strategic importance time and again. They have been instrumental in humanitarian missions, disaster relief and power projection, showcasing their multifaceted capabilities. The ability to launch and recover aircraft at sea grants nations unmatched flexibility and reach. This capability allows for rapid response to emerging threats and the ability to project air power without relying on foreign bases. It is a game changer in both peacetime and wartime operations. This is as true today as it was a century ago. The evolution of aircraft carriers has been marked by continuous innovation, adapting to new technologies and changing strategic needs. From the early days of biplanes to the modern era of jet fighters and drones, carriers have remained at the forefront of naval power. As we enter a new era of technological advancement, the next generation of aircraft carriers promises to redefine naval warfare once more. These new designs incorporate advanced stealth features, enhanced automation, and the ability to operate unmanned systems, making them more versatile and formidable than ever before. These behemoths of the sea are undergoing a radical transformation. Modernization programs are equipping them with state-of-the-art systems, from advanced radar and communication technologies to improved propulsion and energy systems. These upgrades ensure that carriers remain relevant in the face of evolving threats. They are incorporating cutting-edge technologies to maintain their edge in an increasingly contested maritime domain. Innovations such as electromagnetic catapults and advanced arresting gear are enhancing their operational capabilities, while new defensive systems are bolstering their survivability. From electromagnetic catapults to unmanned aerial vehicles, the future of naval warfare is being forged on the decks of these evolving giants. As they continue to adapt and innovate, aircraft carriers will remain a cornerstone of naval strategy, embodying the enduring relevance of sea power in the modern world. The evolution of the aircraft carrier has been one of constant innovation and adaptation. The earliest carriers, little more than converted cruisers with rudimentary flight decks, emerged in the early 20th century. The First World War saw the first tentative steps in carrier operations, with aircraft primarily used for reconnaissance. However, it was during World War II that the aircraft carrier truly came into its own. The conflict in the Pacific, characterized by vast distances, highlighted the strategic importance of carrier-based air power. The Battle of Midway, a decisive turning point in the war, showcased the carrier's potential to deliver knockout blows across hundreds of miles. The post-war era witnessed a dramatic leap in carrier technology. The jet engine revolutionized naval aviation, demanding larger, more robust carriers. The advent of nuclear propulsion in the 1960s provided carriers with virtually unlimited range and endurance. The next generation of aircraft carriers is characterized by a suite of technological advancements that promise to revolutionize naval warfare. These advancements are not just incremental improvements, but represent a significant leap forward in terms of capability, efficiency, and versatility. The modern aircraft carrier is evolving into a more formidable and adaptable platform, capable of meeting the diverse challenges of contemporary and future maritime operations. One such breakthrough is the electromagnetic aircraft launch system, or EMALS. This cutting-edge technology replaces the traditional steam catapults that have been used for decades. Emails uses electromagnetic fields to propel aircraft off the deck, providing a smoother and more controlled launch. Unlike traditional steam catapults, Emails uses linear motors to accelerate aircraft to launch speed. This method not only reduces the physical stress on the aircraft, but also allows for a more precise control over the launch process. The benefits of Emails extend beyond just the launch. It also enables the carrier to launch a wider variety of aircraft, including those that are heavier and more advanced. This technology offers greater control, reduced stress on airframes, and the ability to launch a wider range of aircraft, including heavier drones. The integration of drones into carrier operations is a game changer, providing new capabilities and expanding the operational envelope of the carrier. Stealth technology, already a defining feature of modern fighter jets, is also being incorporated into carrier design. This involves the use of advanced materials and design techniques to reduce the radar cross-section of the carrier, making it less detectable by enemy radar systems. The latest carriers feature reduced radar cross-sections, making them more difficult to detect and target. This stealth capability is crucial for maintaining the element of surprise and enhancing the survivability of the carrier in hostile environments. This enhanced stealth capability is crucial in an age of increasingly sophisticated anti-ship missiles. As adversaries develop more advanced missile systems, the ability to avoid detection and targeting becomes ever more important for the carrier's survival and effectiveness. Perhaps the most transformative development is the integration of unmanned systems. Drones are becoming an integral part of carrier operations, offering new possibilities for surveillance, reconnaissance, and combat. Carriers are now deploying a growing fleet of drones capable of performing a wide range of missions, from surveillance and reconnaissance to electronic warfare and even strike operations. These unmanned systems can operate in environments that are too dangerous for manned aircraft, providing a significant tactical advantage. This shift towards unmanned platforms has the potential to fundamentally alter the nature of carrier air wings. The combination of manned and unmanned aircraft allows for more flexible and resilient operations, enhancing the carrier's ability to project power and respond to emerging threats. As technology continues to advance, the role of drones in carrier operations is likely to expand even further, heralding a new era in naval aviation. Section 4. The price of power, budgetary and technological hurdles. Developing and building these technological marvels comes at a steep price. The cost of a single next-generation aircraft carrier can easily exceed tens of billions of dollars. This has led to concerns about affordability, even for the world's wealthiest nations. Budget overruns and delays have plagued carrier programs around the world. Beyond the financial challenges, there are also significant technological hurdles. Integrating new systems such as emails and advanced sensors into a complex and demanding maritime environment is no easy feat. Ensuring the reliability and resilience of these systems in combat is paramount. Moreover, the emergence of new threats such as hypersonic missiles and sophisticated cyber attacks poses a direct challenge to carrier survivability. Hypersonic missiles, traveling at many times the speed of sound, are extremely difficult to intercept, while cyber attacks could cripple carrier operations by targeting communication and control systems. Section 5. A global arms race, carrier ambitions of nations. The development of next-generation aircraft carriers is not limited to a single nation. This ambitious endeavor is a testament to the strategic importance of naval power in the modern world. Aircraft carriers are not just symbols of national pride, they are pivotal assets in projecting military power and ensuring maritime dominance. It is a global endeavor, with several countries investing heavily in their carrier fleets. These investments are driven by the need to secure national interests, protect trade routes, and maintain a balance of power in key regions. The race to build more advanced and capable carriers is intensifying, with each nation striving to outdo the other. The United States, long the dominant force in carrier aviation, continues to lead the way, with its Gerald R. Ford-class carriers representing the pinnacle of current technology. These carriers are equipped with cutting-edge systems, including advanced radar, electromagnetic catapults, and enhanced survivability features. The U.S. Navy's focus on innovation ensures that it remains at the forefront of naval warfare. China, rapidly expanding its naval capabilities, is also making significant strides in carrier development. The Chinese government has prioritized the modernization of its navy, recognizing the strategic value of aircraft carriers in asserting its influence in the Asia-Pacific region and beyond. It has launched 2 carriers in recent years and is reportedly planning a third, more advanced vessel. These new carriers are expected to feature state-of-the-art technology and improved operational capabilities, reflecting China's ambition to challenge the naval supremacy of established powers. These carriers, while still lagging behind their American counterparts in terms of technology and operational experience, represent a clear challenge to US naval dominance. The growing capabilities of the Chinese Navy are closely monitored by military analysts and strategists worldwide, as they could significantly alter the balance of power in the region. European nations, including the United Kingdom, France and Italy, are also maintaining and modernizing their carrier fleets, albeit on a smaller scale. These countries recognize the importance of having a capable naval force to protect their interests and contribute to international security efforts. These carriers, while lacking the size and strike capability of American or Chinese carriers, play a vital role in regional security and power projection. They participate in joint exercises, humanitarian missions, and peacekeeping operations, showcasing their versatility and importance in maintaining global stability. The collective efforts of these nations highlight the ongoing significance of aircraft carriers in the 21st century.